Full-frame mirrorless camera at an affordable price is finally accessible to beginners. The R8 is a full-frame mirrorless camera. It has 24.2 megapixel sensor. This camera is great in low light and has super fast autofocus. Here is the video and photos I shot with the Canon R8 in a low light situation. You can get beautiful images straight out of the camera. Another beautiful thing I love about this camera is the articulating flip screen. With this flip screen, you don't have to worry about having a monitor. You can easily rotate it to any direction you want, either for vlogging or streaming. This camera is very lightweight and compact. As you can see, it feels very light. It's smaller than my 90D. The menu system of this camera is beginner friendly. You can easily navigate through the menu system of this camera. This camera does not overheat. I've used it for some time now and I've not encountered any form of overheating. It also has a very good dynamic range with the C-Log 3. This camera has only one card slot and it uses the LP17 battery. The memory card slots and the battery are in the same position. This camera can also be charged via the USB-C. The R8 is also great for videos. You can record uncropped video in 4K at 60 frames per second. Here are some of the videos I shot with this camera. This camera has great subject and animal detection, as you can see from this video. It's tracking it so well. Another cool thing I love about this camera is the fact that it's an interchangeable lens camera. You can change as many lenses as you want. You are not just stuck with one lens. It has HDMI mini port, USB-C port, headphone port, and microphone ports. One of the cons for me with the Canon R8 is the battery life. So if you want to get the Canon R8, be prepared to have spare batteries. Again, the Canon R8 does not have in-body image stabilization, so bear this in mind. This camera is for someone looking for an entry-level, full-frame, mirrorless camera. It's also for someone who is on a budget, who still wants great image quality and fast autofocus. This camera is also great for content creator who wants great video features without breaking the bank. I'll leave the link in the description if you would like to check the camera out. This camera is suitable for portrait shoots, street photography, and for travel photographer who needs a lightweight camera. That is all for this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and the camera you shoot with. I'll see you in the next video.